What up, guys? Today we got a Gladiator in the shop. We're doing the MetalCloak Rock Lander 3.5-inch kit on it with the black shocks. So basically this kit's front and rear springs, all 8 control arms. We did the Rock Sport black adjustable reservoir shocks, sway bar links front and rear, bump stops front and rear, outboard shock brackets for the front and rear track bars. And we also included the rear track bar bracket to bring that axle side mount up a little bit higher, just kind of make that angle a little bit flatter. But anyway, check it out. Guys, so everybody knows MetalCloak is, you know, it's the gold standard, and like they have the new black and gold shocks, but sometimes it's the little things that make all the difference, like gold hose clamps. All right, so we just got the front end in, control arms and everything. That's why we love MetalCloak. This stuff just went in so smooth. Our parts fit great, so that's why we really love this stuff. So let's move to the rear.
You gonna tell me why you're sitting in the Jeep?
Because Tony doesn't know how to install brake lines. Holding!
There's our answer.
Just kidding, we're bleeding brakes and there was a small leak. What? Whatever. I just sit here and push my foot against the brake pedal and try and make fluid come out.
All right, guys, so lift is done. It's on the alignment rack. We just finished up the alignment on it, so let's drop it on the ground and take it for a spin. All right, so taking it for a first test drive just to get a feel for how it drives. First impressions, MetalCloak is always just super, super smooth. These Rock Sport black adjustable shocks just really put the icing on the cake. Something about MetalCloak, I mean, you can just let go of the steering wheel and it just drives straight. I mean, it's just something about it. I mean, that's why we really love our MetalCloak stuff, because just, you know, the install, I wouldn't say it's easy, but I mean, it's not, you know, all the parts fit, the instructions are good, and just really makes the job enjoyable. And then, you know, once it's all said and done, it's just really, really nice, smooth drive. So, yeah, I mean, this thing is just driving fantastic, super smooth. One more note to add is it's really important to have a shop like us that really knows what a good off-road alignment is. So when we first put this on the rack to do the alignment, everything was technically in the green from eyeballing it, but the caster was only right at like 4 degrees, which, you know, like I said, it's still in the green, but anybody that knows Jeeps knows the 4 degrees of caster is it's just not enough. So I went ahead and adjusted the front arms a little bit, and we got it at I believe 5.5 and 5.7, which really between 5 and 6 is where you want it. So, you know, just to keep it a little more stable, especially more at like higher speeds. But yeah, I mean, this thing is just, it drives amazing. So that's what you get when you get MetalCloak stuff. Yeah, guys, so if you're looking for a kit similar to this, give us a call or swing by the store, and we'd be happy to help you out.